how to clean a window AC filter. Let's go through the process. Go to the control panel. Check the red light on Clean Filter. If the light is on, it means you need to clean the filter. First, switch off the AC. Apply some force on both sides to open the front grille. Use the filter holder to carefully remove the filter from the AC. Clean the filter thoroughly until all the dust is removed. Before inserting the filter back, make sure it is completely dry. Insert the filter back into the same position in the AC. Close the front grille of the AC. Sometimes, even after cleaning, the clean filter light remains on. To fix this, reset the AC by pressing the temperature up and down buttons together. Now your AC should work properly.